Lesson 20 Asking someone not to put something in your food. Japanese theme is わさびは入れないでください. It means please don't put wasabi in. First of all, let's check the skit with English subtitles. In this time, please focus on understanding the whole story. Let's begin.
おすすめは何ですか？
このスペシャル海鮮丼がおすすめだよ。イクラとウニがたっぷり入ってるよ。
じゃあそれください。私も。わさびは入れないでください。
わさび抜きね。そちらは？
私はわさびをたくさん入れてください。
Okay, next time, please focus on Japanese pronunciation and how to read it. Let's begin.
おすすめは何ですか？
このスペシャル海鮮丼がおすすめだよ。イクラとウニがたっぷり入ってるよ。
じゃあそれください。私も。わさびは入れないでください。
わさび抜きね。そちらは？
私はわさびをたくさん入れてください。
Okay, then let's check the vocabularies from the skit. Please repeat after me. The first word is おすすめ. The next one, なん. Okay, let's check the example sentence. Okay, please repeat after me. おすすめは何ですか? Good. It means what do you recommend? So what is your recommendation? Okay, next one. Please repeat after me. このスペシャル海鮮丼. The clerk answered like that. Okay, please repeat after me. このスペシャル海鮮丼がおすすめだよ. Good, he said. I recommend this special 海鮮丼. Okay, so special, this word comes from English. It means special. Okay, and a 海鮮丼 is like a seafood bowl. Okay, special seafood bowl. スペシャル海鮮丼がおすすめだよ. Okay, next one. イクラ. Okay, next one. ウニ. たっぷり. 入る. He explained like that. Okay, please repeat after me. イクラとウニがたっぷり入ってるよ. Good, it means it's filled with salmon roe and sea urchin. たっぷり, this word is same as here. たくさん. You know, たくさん and たっぷり. It's almost the same meaning. It means like a lot, many. Okay, next one. じゃあそれください. Okay, so she said like that. Okay, please repeat after me. じゃあそれください. Good, it means like, then I'll have it. Then please give me this one. Like that. じゃあ means like then, and それ means this. ください means please give me. So then I'll have that one. Okay, next one. 私わさび入れる. Tam-san asked like that. Okay, please repeat after me. 私はわさびは入れないでください. Good. It means like, please don't put wasabi in. 入れない。So, 入れる means put in. And 入れない means please do not put in. So, when you want to make a negative sentence at a time, we use ないform. わさびは入れないでください。Please don't put wasabi in. このビールは飲まないでください。Please don't drink this beer. Anyway, I will explain this phrase in the key phrase section. That's the point of this skit. Point sentence of this skit. And next one. 抜き。そちら。The clerk said like that. Okay, please repeat after me. わさび抜きね。そちらは Okay, it means like without wasabi, right? そちらは What about you? So 抜き means without. So わさび抜き means no wasabi. And そちらは is what about you? So when you go to Japanese sushi restaurant, you can't eat wasabi at a time, you can say like that. That's a specific expression. Okay, please repeat after me. サビ抜きでお願いします。Good. サビ抜きでお願いします。It's like a no wasabi, please. So サビ抜き is the specific expression. It means no wasabi, without wasabi. So please remember this phrase and please use this phrase in the Japanese sushi restaurant. Okay, next one. たくさん。たくさん means a lot. So Mia said, okay, please repeat after me. 私はわさびをたくさん入れてください。Okay, she said, please put a lot of wasabi in. 私はわさびをたくさん入れてください。I'd have a lot of wasabi. Okay, great. That's the new vocabularies. Let's move on to the next section. In the skit section, let's read the whole sentence together. Please remember how to read a Japanese sentence, and please improve your Japanese pronunciation as well. Anyway, let's get this started. Please repeat after me. おすすめは何ですか？このスペシャル海鮮丼がおすすめだよ。イクラとウニがたっぷり入ってるよ。じゃあそれください。私も、わさびは入れないでください。わさび抜きね。そちらは？私はわさびをたくさん入れてください。Okay, great, perfect. Okay, let's move on to the next section. In the key phrase section, I will explain Japanese grammar in detail. Today's key phrase is about asking someone not to put something in your food. Example sentences: わさびは入れないでください。It means please don't put wasabi in. To ask someone not to put something in your food or drink, use the ない form of a verb plus でください. The ない form is a negative conjugation that ends with ない. The ない form of 入れる or to put in is 入れない. As for particle は, when asking someone not to put something in your food, add a topic mark particle は to the item itself, as in blah blah は入れないでください. Okay, anyway, when you want to make the negative form, please use the ない form of a verb. Okay, again, let's check the example sentence. Please repeat after me. わさびは入れないでください。Good. It means please do not put wasabi in. Please do not add wasabi. Okay, here. Let's make another example sentence. Please repeat after me. ビールは飲まないでください。Good. Please do not drink beer. For example, you are teenagers. Please do not drink beer. ビールは飲まないでください。Okay, so next one. Okay, it's a little bit long sentence. Please repeat after me. ダイエット中でしょ？甘いものは食べないでください。Good. It means like you're on a diet, right? Please don't eat anything sweet. Okay, so when you want to reduce your weight at a time, you shouldn't eat anything sweet. 甘いものは食べないでください。Okay, good. And next one. Here, please repeat after me. ゲームはしないでください。Good. It means like, please don't play video games. You know, like, you didn't finish the homework, so please do not play video games. ゲームはしないでください。Okay, anyway, that's the key phrase. When you want to make a negative form, at the time we need to use the night form of a verb. Okay, then let's check the short dialogue, which include the key phrase we studied. Please repeat after me. オレンジジュース一つ、氷は入れないでください。かしこまりました。Okay, great. The guy said, 氷は入れないでください。It means like, please do not put any ice cubes in. That's the, same form, like, わさびは入れないでください。氷は入れないでください。Both are completely same structure. Okay, then let's move on to the next one. In the tryout section, please try to translate 3 English sentences into Japanese. Let's check the number 1. Please don't pour the dressing on. Okay, so we call it ドレッシング。This word definitely come from English. And かける means pour on. And when you want to negative form, you need to say かけない, right? And the grammar is blah blah wa and ない form でください, right? Okay, so answer is here. Here. Please repeat after me. ドレッシングはかけないでください。Good. blah blah はない form ください。ドレッシングはかけないでください。Please don't pour the dressing on. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Please don't use chili pepper. Right? Please don't use chili pepper. And we call it 唐辛子 in Japanese. And the ない form of use is 使わない. Right? Okay, so let's check the answer. Please repeat after me. 唐辛子は使わないでください。Good. For example, like, I don't like spicy food, so please don't use chili pepper. 唐辛子は使わないでください。Okay, let's move on to the next one. Please don't put spring onions in. Okay, so that's the same form. Like, わさびは入れないでください。Okay, so spring onions are ネギ in Japanese. And the ない form of put in is 入れない, right? And the grammar is blah blah はない form ください. So answer is here. Please repeat after me. ネギは入れないでください。Good. ネギは入れないでください。I can't eat spring onions, so please don't put spring onions in. ネギは入れないでください。Okay, great. That's the tried out section. So let's move on to the next section. In the bonus phrase, I will introduce useful Japanese phrase. Today's phrase is here. Please repeat after me. おすすめは何ですか? Good. What do you recommend? What is your recommendation? This phrase is used to ask about a restaurant's recommended dish. おすすめ means recommendation. So when you go to a Japanese restaurant, sometimes it's a little bit difficult to read the menu. At the time, you can ask the clerk, like, what is your recommendation? おすすめは何ですか? And then the clerk would, recommend some special food in that restaurant. Anyway, please remember this phrase and please use this phrase in the Japanese restaurant. Okay, so we finished most of activities. Let's review today's lesson. In the skip section, please focus on understanding whole story in Japanese. And what's more, let's check the trip tip and the kanji section as well. Let's get this started.
Easy Japanese. Give it a try. おすすめは何ですか?
このスペシャル海鮮丼がおすすめだよ。イクラとウニがたっぷり入ってるよ。
じゃあそれください。私も。わさびは入れないでください。
わさび抜きで。そちらは?
私はわさびをたくさん入れてください。
Tam has finally arrived in her dream destination, Hokkaido.
She must be so happy.
Remember, if there's something you don't want or can't eat, use today's expression. The formula is the name of the ingredient, the particle wa, and finally, 入れないでください.
Sumimasen.
はい。
ラーメンください。卵は入れないでください。あとは餃子ください。ニンニクは入れないでください。
はいよ。
カレーライスください。赤い漬物は入れないでください。福神漬けですね。承知しました。あと、水をください。氷は入れないでください。You'll have plenty of chances to try new dishes when you're traveling, so don't be shy.
But if there's something you don't want, just put today's phrase to work.
Let's work on the pronunciation. わさびは入れないでください。わさびは入れないでください。
Trip tip. When you go to Hokkaido, you won't want to miss this dish. Kaisendon is a bowl of rice with all kinds of fresh seafood. Hakodate is one of the best places to enjoy it. 2 million people visit the morning market every year. You might want to try 2 or more bowls to find your favorite. Today's kanji. Donburi, a deep bowl for rice or noodles.
A dot in a hashtag. Looking at kanji gives your imagination room to roam. That's easy Japanese. Sayonara!
Okay, that's the lesson 20, asking someone not to put something in your food. I hope you learned something new from today's lesson. Thank you for having my class. See you next time.